Grant, are you silly Billy? Did you have too much chocolate chip cookies? Can you say Happy Mother's Day? Grant, can you say Happy Mother's Day? Did the cookies have a little bit of espresso in them? I think they did. You watching Frosty? It's over. Can you say Happy Mother's Day? Oh my gosh. You're never gonna sleep tonight. Can you say Happy Mother's Day? No, say it nice to Grandma and Nanny. Say it nice.
No.
Bean. Can you say it nice? You're gonna jump off the couch. Can you tell Mama what? Can you tell Mama you love me? Come on. Man. Hey little man, tell me you love me. Tell me you love me. Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, now say Happy Mother's Day. It's over. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Who's your mother? What's your mother's name? What's your mother? What's your mother's name?
Mama.
What's my real name? What's my middle name? It's like Sissy's. What's my middle name? Is it Michelle Steven? What is it? You're being goofy. What is my name? No, it's not Sissis. What's my name? You're being goofy. Say my name. Say my name. What's my name? It's what? Say it loud. What's my name? Hey, Sissy. What is my name? Hey. Hi, Gwenny. Don't kick him, Grant.